sequence again, Ian, ang itinawag ay lifting.
Yeah, so yun yung kino-complain kanina ni Coach Oji, but in a subtle way, because that's and even Rhea was saying, labo. Labo ng tawag, Coach.
The referees, of course, have no benefit of our slow-mo.
That's right. Plus, they have that happened right in front of first referee Philip Season, so he was really on top of the play. Ooh!
Sails out. Some service errors here, but yeah, Vargas.
Again, these are 3 points for UST. And they might look back at these service errors later on in the game.
Especially in a tight one. 8-all. Giselle C, reverse set, nabitin pa. Uy, sinuwerte si Eulalia.
9.
Napakamot na ulo si Coach Ness.
We'll take it anyway.
Oh, puntos din yun.
That's given us, sabi ni Coach Ness.
Very young, very talented FEU team. They're going to be challenging a lot of the teams this year, next year, and a couple of years from now.
Ooh, for reception from Maru.
So, matras na itong taga-FEU. Let's see what they do. They open up to the young Rochelle Bagang.
Nalunod.
Ganun daw dapat.
That's the way to do it. Says Ortiz.
That's a tough set by Rhea Dumaculangan.
One set.
9-all. Micah Ortiz. Service.
Nagulat si Bagang, pabalik na naman sa kanya yung ball.
Bagang from behind. Reyes. Agno was there, but out of position. Baniel, alam mo naman, pag hinabol mo ng kamay mo yan ng patalikod, you know you're out of position.
UST now with the lead.
Yep.
Nakakuha na ng kalamangan itong UST.
Actually, sila yung maagal, lumamang. Hinabol na FEU, lumamang FEU. Ganyan naman yung tema ng storya natin ngayon eh. Reyes with a full leap. But it was wide.
Yes. She missed the hands of the blockers. That's normally the case.
That's another girl. When you look at her, you have no idea the power that she has.
That's right. Very, very deceptive. In that game against LaSalle, though it was a losing effort, she was the one really pouring in the points off of those the block hits.
Suji full extension. When she attacks and when she winds up, it's like her back fully extends. Napapansin ko kay Hirotsuji. Well, let's look at this again, and you'll know what I mean when I say her spine is all the way back. Look at that. There, look at that. Full extension.
Hindi mo na siguro kaya gawin yung ganun po.
Sasabihin ko sana na sobrang naiinggit ako pag nakikita ko eh.
Ayaw tumupipag.
Hindi, kaya ko. Pero wala yung talon. Wala yung talon.
Nakaupo. Pasandal pa yun. Para sa lazy boy mo pag pahiga na naman yun eh. Ito patalon.
Oo, hindi ko kaya yung talon. Hindi na. 12 serving 10 now. Vargas off the block. Too much pace behind it.
That's right. Just the power in that spike. Kita mo si Cabalejo natulak patras. After that strong hit from Vargas.
Team captain, Giselle C.
So Giselle C back serving 11, serving 12. Baratikla. Agno goes to Vargas. Free ball for UST. Combination play. And Cabalejo puts it away.
Cabalejo. Nice play right there from Rhea. These combinations really nice to see. Lalo na pag dito na kayo nanonood. It's like this. It's a well-coordinated sequence for these attackers.
Ganda rin yan.
Ayo, regalo yan eh.
Walang kahirap-hirap.
Free ball given to Banatikla.
And they got the 3-point lead again. continues to serve here. Bad first ball. That's off the net.
Miss hit from Baniel, getting it into the tape.
4-point lead.
And even the serves of both of these teams, ang gaganda ng mga, except for the errors, of course, but whenever they get the serves in, kargado mga serves nitong dalawang teams na to.
3-ball. Coach Ness cringing that no attack was made. Wrong set. Vargas makes something out of it.
Off the net.
The net can kill you. It can also help you every now and then. And that's what happened there.
The reaction of Vargas just tells you that. Oh, yan, hindi. Pero maganda sana hindi na siya gumawa. Ano pa?
Sadya, no?
Sinadya ko yun. Bakit?
Kumbaga sa basketball, 3-point shot na banda.
Oo. Pero pasok.
Yun ang importante. Oh, good serve again by Rojas. Oh!
Wow, they had all day to watch where that ball was going.
Nagkahiyaan. At lamang na ng 4 ang UST.